Security breach.
All right. Lunar Marais Defense Force, order received.
Hostile units incoming. Peacekeepers prepare
What's
for
this
combat.
new toy? Got a name?
Name's Alesenus, a latest break striker, beefed up with extra armor.
Code red. Code red. Main cabin breach. Hangar on fire. Explosion in the elevator's midsection. Garrison's lower section disintegrating.
Warning. Oxygen level below 20.9%. Warning. Oxygen level below 19.5%.
Oh yeah, baby. Pyrogenesis Striker. I'm practically at home.
Alesenus initiated. Mind projection system activated. Injecting EIC particles. Initiating system diagnostics. Structural integrity confirmed.
Critical damage. Initiating emergency repair.
Corite engine power supply confirmed. Incoming urgent message from Space Garrison.
Attention! We are under attack from Thea's Vanguard. Significant damage confirmed. Self-destruct activates in 120 seconds. All units evacuate immediately.
Okay. Working escape pod would be nice. I need to plan Bravo.
Warning. Under attack. Fluid armor activated. Fire control system enabled. Calibrating weapon system. Energy autocannon and induced sword are combat ready.
neutralize us. Adjust thrusters, drop us down, pronto!
Breaching Earth's gravity. Breaching Earth's gravity.
Hooah! On fire!
System overheating. Rebooting system.
Fluid armor depleted. Power supply failure. System troubleshooting initiated. Warning. Fluid armor depleted. Fluid armor
Striker, good job.
Where's the
I think I'll marry you.
And who or what did this right here?
Business? Contact the nearest peacekeeping corps HQ.
Urgent communication incoming from friendly ground base.
Pilot, this is Zone 48. Confirm identity. Over.
Peacekeeper 98213 reporting.
Pilot, we were also blindsided by Diaz Vanguard. The garrison's debris has wreaked havoc on us. Unable to provide support. Over.
Copy, copy. What can I do?
A colossal striker from Diaz Vanguard is in the area. Take cover if you see an incoming...
High threat target acquired.
Warning. Armor integrity at threshold.
I need an airdrop, pronto!
Initiating armor airdrop.
You may switch your main weapon from energy autocannons to battle halberds. Battle halberds can bypass enemy fluid armor and cause significant damage. You may also use gas cannons to attack. Gas cannons' powerful impact can immobilize the target. You may switch your main weapon from energy autocannon to battle halberd. Use complex shield to stun same-sized enemies with a perfect block.
Insufficient engine output.
Activate complex shield to block frontal attack. You may switch your main weapon from energy autocannon to battle halberd.
Energy management is advised.
Hello, dirtbags! Not on my watch! Woo!
Colossal Striker, this is gonna be fun. They won't back off unless we take this thing down. That thing that just entered the atmosphere, is it friendly? Use this to draw its fire.
Brick Striker pilot. Don't forget us when you made it big, alright? Oh man, I'm itching for some simulated action. Wanna go for a couple rounds after work?
Proceed to selecting a mission.